English language learning, understanding team routine. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, team routine. Understanding phrases like this can really help you sound more natural in English. So, let's dive in. The phrase, team routine, refers to the regular, established patterns of activities or behaviors that a group or team follows. It's not just about what one person does, but what the whole group does together, regularly. For example, a football team might have a practice routine they follow before every match. Let's break it down. Team implies more than one person working together. Routine suggests a regular, consistent pattern or schedule. So, when we talk about a team routine, we're referring to the structured activities a group consistently follows. 1. Sports. A basketball team's warm-up exercises before a game. 2. Workplace. A weekly team meeting in an office. 3. Education. Group study sessions at the same time each week. Understanding how team routine is used in different contexts helps you get a better grasp of its meaning. Why is this phrase important? In English, we often use phrases like team routine to describe collaboration and structure in group settings. It's a succinct way to refer to the shared habits or practices of a team, which is a common concept in various areas of life. Thank you for joining us today to explore team routine. Understanding phrases like this can greatly improve your English communication, especially in group settings. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!